feeling off balance or like the room is spinning. That sensation is often vertigo, a condition that messes with your sense of balance and where you are in space. It can be quite disorienting and sometimes a little scary. Vertigo isn't just a simple case of dizziness. It's a specific symptom that can point to different underlying issues. It might be linked to problems in your inner ear, which is your body's balance center. It could also be related to your circulatory system or even your nervous system, because the causes can vary so much. Getting a proper medical evaluation from a doctor or a specialist is absolutely essential to figure out what is really going on and to get the right treatment plan. While you're working with your healthcare provider, it's also worth looking at how nutrition can play a supportive role. What you eat can have a big impact on your overall well-being, including your neurological function and balance. In traditional natural nutrition, there's a belief that certain fresh plant-based foods can help support the body's systems, like promoting good hydration, providing essential minerals, and supporting healthy circulation. Think of it as giving your body the best possible fuel to function optimally. So, let's explore a traditional blend that has been used for generations to support these very functions. This isn't a cure, but a supportive nutritional practice. The blend starts with carrots, which are packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells. Then we add spinach and celery, both fantastic for supporting your body's mineral balance. Next up is beetroot, a root vegetable that has been traditionally associated with boosting circulation and blood flow. We also include a creamy avocado, which is an excellent source of healthy fats that are crucial for brain and nerve health. Finally, a small spoonful of virgin coconut oil is added, another ingredient with a long history of traditional use for its unique properties. Preparing this blend is super simple. You just take all these fresh ingredients, give them a good wash to make sure they're clean, chop them into manageable pieces, and then toss them into a blender. Blend everything together until it's smooth. Traditionally, the practice involves drinking 1 glass of this blend 3 times a day, always before a meal. This is typically done for a short period, like 3 days, as a nutritional boost. Now, it's really important to remember this. All the information we've shared here is for educational purposes only. This is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are experiencing vertigo or any other health concerns, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. They can give you the personalized care you need. True balance in life and health really begins with understanding what we put into our bodies, because at the end of the day, we are what we eat. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more insights from Nature's Pharmacy.